Unstoppable youth.
That video there at the beginning we wanna see is Usain Bolt in the studio. Go on meds him and Casey to the rhythm when I put out. And him have him artist on it. And people, Popcorn, not really like how the artist sound on the rhythm, and Popcorn was very vocal about it. Popcorn say, him feel like say Usain need to use him platform for help more, talented people. Yes, in the business than the youth there who depend the song, right? Well, people after Popcorn said that a whole heap of people never really agree with what Poppy say, and people them going hard on Popcorn. Then Popcorn come back and say, me done say what my BBC say, I'm not change my chat. It's a big thing on social media, me I tell you no. So whole heap of people start voice them opinion. Dr. Love say what him have to say, whole heap of other people say what them have to say. And now Mr. Vegas address and a share film views on the whole thing. Let's hear what Vegas say.
Check this out, see? Check this out. You see, a man work hard for him things. You see, a man work hard for him things, people. And you see, a man I enjoy when work hard for. Things that we have to give that person there some space and give that person there some respect. Because trust me, some people have to work hard for what they want. You see, a man work hard for him things, and a man find something to enjoy out of him hard work, like a hobby, or like party, or whatever he want to do. If you have like a fun, if you get some euphoric moment or moments, Lord, the man make him man enjoy himself. We're not supposed to be a dictate to nobody we work hard for them things. How would them enjoy them things? Some are too religious. I mean not talk religious just in a church. Religion like church religion. Me not talk the religiosity of Christianity. Me attack some of we even a dance and music. We go on like we too religious and upright. We need to chill and build. Sometimes we feel like we reach too far and we feel like we are ahead of ourselves. We need to chill and build more time. You see, a man work hard for him things. A man can enjoy it or he want to enjoy it. But not supposed to have no argument. And I want no man want style, no man will work hard for them things. Case in point, this big uproar about Usain Bolt. And when I do him look at music, I see man all make video at this the man. Some man look like them are dead for hungry. But look at work. And enjoy your money the way you want to enjoy it when you go look at work. Because someone want to come on something here. I want to think that this is going to put food on the table. This is just social media, Socialize, people socialize on this. Away from the vloggers and we get them look out, check them one time when they put up good stories and I feel them think that them are work too. But someone want to come and make video. When if you go look at work and go beard. That's someone if you go do. Someone if you go beard when I make video style the man. When if you style the man. National hero that If the man want to do music and enjoy money, a fame business that. When they did that train with him. You know how the man have to train to win a race. To be a world champion. An Olympic champion. You know think a little bit of training that. And I run out with injury. When I want to come style the man. If the man want DJ, make the man DJ. I saw the man want DJ, a fame thing that. I saw him want enjoy money. If him did that take drugs with the money when they have a problem with it. No, we don't have a problem with it. And I call him crackhead. And say, yeah man, a long time, you know him I take drugs. I did dope him I take when him I run. Go away. I make the man enjoy money. Go away. Oh no. We don't know about music. The man I enjoy, I saw him I hear it. I feel him frequency that. If him want DJ and it sound good to him, make him DJ, it sound good to him. Go away. The man make a rhythm boy and put too much artist on it. When I go and see that. The man make rhythm and voice all of the artist on it too. So I don't see that. When the man make like one song with a little youth, when I style the man and I style the next artist. Some of them never sound good and they come in the music neither, you know. I train on a train and reach on there, you know. Some of them sound like mosquito when they come in the music, you know. So when you see a little youth, when I'm sound good and not sound good, they don't have to come publicly, come style, man. When you can take that in a DM and say, yo, my general, the youth the way I work, you know, say, he want to work, you know, him voice want to fix up. Can you find an auto-tune and I used to? I true both, no for use the auto-tune for the youth voice to make it sound good. No found no sound good on stage. You no sound like shit on stage. Because after the auto-tune gone, we don't have the auto-tune on stage. So no sound good on stage. I trick them a trick, you know. We don't just have the hype now I run with. And people are jumping and make noise. Nobody can hear, so no sound good. Stop style, man. I'm doing it. I think I like a joke thing until me see things spread out. I say, spread out? Oh, this is spread out. I think I like a joke. This is dead serious. I say, what? Usain Bolt? When you can't style Usain? When I go to help the man run? I think I like a bit of get up a man. The man they have to train non-stop, you know. Somehow in the music are big and fat and out of shape. We don't care about all the breath on stage. The first song we don't sing, we don't run out of breath, and people are help us sing, you know. I sing, we don't sing one line and push mic in a crowd, you know, because we don't unfit. So we don't even know what it is to train. To go win an Olympic medal. So the man come and enjoy him little money in him little studio and I come go and come style him and this man some little done said boy and he call video. Like when I want to come style the general. The man they are legend boy, the man they are the greatest. The man they are like Bob Marley. You see man I enjoy him little fruits when work hard for love the man. When I come make this into a big issue and I come talk about the man song no sound good and one bag of something. So I'm to that look how much song no sound good and boss. And no found a song no sound good if you take off the auto-tune after that, you know. No found no song no sound good or the auto-tune. But no gonna come style nobody boy and trick nobody boy because we know the music, we know it. No found no can't sing a straight song neither because we run out of breath and drop and chip up. So no go away. You can't fool nobody boy. You can't style the general boy and no go. The general can't get anybody write a good song in. I saw him want to hear it. The man having money can get right as if he want to sing good and get vice coach. He don't want that. He don't have coach already to teach him for running. Don't retire from that already. He don't want no more coach. So he don't want nobody come and coach him up. No one that want them want style him. The man been through that. The man don't get too much coach already. You know, say I retire, the man retire from coach, from the coach them. That means them just want to be free. Our national hero. Mine want to style the national hero. Through the things so want to reach somewhere. Want to reach nowhere near Bolt yet, you know. You know, go away. Because although we are 99, we still have to remember the race them a Bolt win boy. And we have to see it on TV and we pick them up and come see it on TV. Donald Quarry, we still talk about Donald Quarry and see him race them. Some of we song now play past 2 years, you know. Some of we music now past 6 months. Nobody remember it. No go allow the man. Go the man think no sound good. I'm doing. The man I tell the same man, the man can buy back him, the man can buy back the whole if he want to sell, if he want to go number one, he can buy back the number one them. And no found I buy back likes and I buy back views and I buy Spotify and I buy YouTube. So if the man want him can make him song go number one, you know. Him just, you know how much you make a song go number one for reggae Billboard chart? About 700 copies. And you think got number one. Or 1,000 copies. And you got number one on the reggae Billboard chart. But 1,000 copies, the man can buy 20 times of that or 100 million times of that. You see? We know some always be the voice of reason. At social media name, if you know what socialize, you know go on go. A social media name, I think I off. A social media, nobody can jump in and socialize. So if I want to put things out there for social media, anybody can talk about it. Social media name. Social media. Not your house. Not your business. Social media business. From once you put it out there, it becomes social business. So no go ahead. Loud the general. Want to bring with joy, boy. You know how long we are trying with one of them gold medals. We used to have Raymond Stewart them and beer people that run dead last. And we still hold them up and I try with them. Dead last. And we find one of the greatest things for lick them boy in America and them chest. Run over them. You know, long America boof we kick we down, America and Canada boof we kick we down top. Run over with Raymond Stewart them can't catch up with them. We don't know nothing about this. And we come find a general. We bring joy to the world. If him want to sing, in entirely and put it out, we're not supposed to come style him. If him want to sing in entirely. You hear that? Know yourself. We not reach this yet for style nobody boy, you know. We not reach this yet. Nobody no. We not going to reach. We not even make MTV yet. I'm telling them go man. And I'm nobody chicken about you. The money are legend. Greatest ever. Not greatest Jamaican sprinter. Greatest of all time. GOAT. That's what the man is. The GOAT. It's like how people talk about Michael Jordan. I saw people talk about Usain Bolt or Usain Bolt. Whatever everyone want to call Usain Bolt. Whatever it is. Usain, right? Usain Bolt. I'm a national hero. If you want a DJ like shit or if you want to find a little singer to sing the song with him, fame thing that. Fame little fun that. Oh, that a mash up music. That a mash up music. Let me tell you what mash up music. Badness. I want to bring in a music. That mash up music. Division. That mash up music. No found in a music I want to go and come better than the artist them want to come see in a music and go and can style man in a music. And that mash up music, you think where you see him both do a mash up music with a little singer. The man have a little youth in like how the man sound. So you go. If you don't like it, you don't have to listen to it. We have so much music right now where you can't listen to. Why not focus on the song you don't like? When you don't like a song, look how much other song that if you go listen to. Look how much other song. Shaquille O'Neal used to rap. You know somebody come out and say, Shaquille O'Neal, pack it up, you can't rap. Go and try work with some other little rappers from down in the inner cities and down in the ghettos and down in the hood. Go. No, them don't say Shaquille O'Neal that them enjoy money and him hard work. Damian Lillard, rap. Them just do it for fun. Some of the man them do it for fun. Them love music. We should have glad for know said one of the greatest endorse with music. Because the man could have in the studio do hip hop. And I said, you know my name is Usain Bolt and I won the 100 million times. And you know that Usain Bolt is the man. And you could have do that and I try hip hop. Should I glad say my promote way. When the man going at the stadium. When the man going at the stadium. When the man win the first race. The man bring Elephant Man to the world. He just here, no linger. And the man just start busting at the stadium. Have big things I want to you. Yo, you see one? But never like me, you know. Because someone have amnesia. So when I come side with some little idiot we are going to want style the man, you know, go to you know. When the man, them are the first man in a history. Bring him culture with him. When I work him have a mash up music now, Chima try do one little song. Him have one little singer. I want little next artist. I don't feel if a man come put out say, oh no sound good. I wanna never did sound good. Some never did sound good. I make them make on you know. When I work and I make them make on a tune make on you know. Them man they never bring themselves alone or carry themselves alone when they go to Olympics. The man carry the culture with him. Do no research. And go watch back. And remember that. I can't go and style the man. The man bring the culture with him. Okay? So if we never know, no. Like if we never know, no. So the man I enjoy him little money. The man the man fun. You see him take crack? You see him give man gun? You see him walk and give the little them boy a gun for kill each other and about say one back a bad man back at him? You see man walk up and down with a bag of serious face, man, I long up them face. And I go out there want to kill somebody. You say, I enjoy the man, I enjoy himself. So now take it so. Now what this? No, sir, what this? The man who said this real. What is the man can't enjoy, the man can't look fun. So if me start box. If me start box, yo. I'm gonna be a boxer. Yo, me the baddest runner, but I want to be a boxer. When they come out and say, yo, Bolt, I want to take a put on boxing, man. Go put on boxing and make some other little youth box. Go away, man. Not too righteous, not too overly righteous, man. Not too religious. Go away. I humble yourself, humble down. Stop going to reach boy and a bum buckler keeper for dance all gate. Go away. I'm too no. Get away. And go humble yourself. Humble yourself. We'll not go around the general yet and we'll never go around the general. And him not have to rate me for me rate him. Because what him do for me cannot be replaced. Euphoria. When we see him run across the finish line there. Everyone how we feel that. Me and him not have to be friends. Me and him not have to hang out. But him bring me joy. When him run across them finish line, they mash up them boy there. Them American boy, they always mash up over the run of them. And him come change sport. I'm telling you, man, the man come out of sport and it dead. If you don't come out of dance, it's still alive. Wait. If you don't come out of dance, when nobody not talk about you again, the next artist. It's the hardest thing for you to find our next Usain Bolt. The hardest thing. We can always find another artist. Remember that. You can always find another one. We have to go wait another 30, 40 years before we find our next Bolt. You hear that? That's what you call greatness. We'll not go around that yet. And we'll never go around that. Kill the messenger. Can't kill the truth. Try as much as you want. You don't have to like the messenger. Did you get the fucking message? If you get the message, calm the fuck down. Chill the fuck out. Humble yourself. Who are you to talk to the general like that? Go ahead. Pull up. I want to teach you something to you know. Some areas I try teaching. See the same mouth to say Ray, or the same mouth say boo. I always remember that. Yeah? Check the history of music. Many come, many go. You see? Humble yourself. Calm down. Calm down. You see? Calm down. Calm music going on a cycle. Alright? I'm not a gatekeeper for music. Stop going on the what you call it? The principle in our music. Yeah. The fundamentals of music, no based off of uno coming into music. Deeper than that. Humility, I want to do something them will keep you alive in that industry. You see? See people them burn me out all the while. Can I say me chat enough on them something there? Even though I socialize, we are socialized. Can we have the rights to socialize too? But guess what? One thing they know say, me is a man as a youth. One thing they know so me come on show, I go give them 100%. One thing they know say when they see me in the streets and they want an autograph or a picture, I go take it with them. Same thing with people like Beanie Man. Over the years, Beanie Man, charisma, hang out with the people them, or when them burn him out, or when them cuss him, and go up on stage and they go so, and the people then jump up and reel up him because them love him, because him love the people and him humble. Learn some of them something there in our music. Man, no. Try reach too far. Because the higher the monkey climb, and the more him behind exposed. So be careful when you put spotlight on yourself when you can't deal with it. Careful, because the same people who say, Ray, them same one who boo you. Always remember that. You see that? So when you see the people, them icon, we not talk some little idiot we come call themselves icon. Some little idiot we come boy come try the music and we not see them again. Some little idiot we come force up themselves another something here. And people endorse them and run with them for the little hype. Because you have a hype will last for 2 weeks, you have a hype will last for a month, and you have some hype with dead down. Quick. So when I see some little idiot boy come go out, they want come jump in at that something here. We call themselves icon, the real icon. How the whole world know? Anywhere him go. You see? Anywhere him go. The real icon are where people are beg for no retire. Yo, one more Olympic me done, one more Olympic, you can't retire. Icon. So I'm looking fun we might have. I feel him looking fun that. I feel him looking enjoyment that. Better if him da buy gun give some man who no say nothing. Bet you. If him did buy some long gun give some man and want run place, who no say nothing, who no hear it. If him da buy some big long gun and have some big bad man a walk with a daytime and a walk with some gang, you wanna hear it. If him da buy some artist where I sing so, shut up boy, head back with my big long rifle, who no talk. And I say, yo, that your baddest artist that you work with me done. Man I sing one nice song, I enjoy himself, wanna go away. Go away. Who no man? Enjoy the little run when I get man. What we get around there? Make you sight and eat your food. And go away. And go ahead you run dance all. Go away. I want to buck up real artists on road, you know. I run enough runway, you know. When they buck up the real bad artists, them on stage out the road, and have a runway, I beg promoter and I put people on show. Because I'm afraid. Go away. Now go have people don't know them things there. When you never take a show yet, where bad artists depend. Go away. Never. Humble. Bolt to the world. Go away. Look more.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.